So dividing polynomials using synthetic division. Okay, for number 1, we have the 3x cubed plus x squared minus 22x minus 25 as our dividend, and our divisor is x minus 2. Then, what is the quotient and the remainder? So, to solve this polynomial, take note if the operation of your divisor is minus, use that as positive. So we have positive 2 as your divisor. Then for your dividend, so we have 3, then this is positive 1, then negative 22, then negative 25. Okay, first step, bring down 3. The first term, we have 3, then multiply this to your divisor. So we have 3 times 2, that is 6. Then add 1 plus 6, that is 7. Then multiply again, 7 times 2, that is 14. Then add negative 22 plus 14, that is negative 8. Then multiply, that is negative 16. Then add, so that is negative 41. So therefore, okay, the quotient is okay 3. Then since the given problem, the first term is cube, so minus 1, that is x squared, then followed by 7 x, then minus 8 as the constant, then and the remainder is negative 41. So quotient is 3x squared plus 7x minus 8, and the remainder is negative 41. Okay, number 2, we have x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 25, okay, divided by x plus 5. Okay, so since the operation of our divisor is positive, so use the opposite sign. So negative 5, then you have, okay, the first term you have 1, 4, negative 1, and negative 25. Okay, bring down 1, multiply negative 5, add negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 5, that is positive 5. Negative 1 plus 5, that is 4. 4 times negative 5, that is negative 20. Then add, so that is negative 45. So therefore, the quotient is, okay, x squared minus x plus 4, and the remainder is negative 45. Okay, for number 3, you have 6x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 1, okay, divided by 3x minus 1. Okay. So for this problem, our x here has a numerical coefficient which is 3, so all you have to do is factor out that one. So we have for divisor we have 3 times x minus 1/3, then negative 1/3, so this positive 1/3, then we have 6 negative 5, 4, and negative 1. For this problem, this is our first divisor. So after getting the quotient of this problem, divide it again by 3. So we have 6 multiply, so that is 2, that is negative 3, multiply negative 3 positive 1/3, that is negative 1, add, so that is 3, then 3 times 1/3, that is 1, add, so that is 0. Then the new quotient is we have 6x squared minus 3x plus 3, then divided by 3. So therefore the final answer is that is 2x squared, then divide, that is x, this one is plus 1. So therefore the final answer is 2x squared minus x plus 1, and the remainder is 0. We have 2x raised to 4 minus 9x cubed plus 9x squared plus 5x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, again, factor out the denominator or the divisor. So we have 2 times x plus 1/2. So we have negative 1/2. Then we have 2, negative 9, positive 9, positive 5, and negative 1. Bring down 2, multiply, so that is negative 1. So negative 10, multiply, that is positive 5, and that is 14, multiply, that is negative 7, then add, that is negative 2, multiply again, so that is positive 1, then that is 0. So we have 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 14x minus 2, then the remainder is 0, then divided by this one, we have 2, so therefore the final answer is we have x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x minus 1, and the remainder is 0. 2x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 8x plus 12, okay, divided by 2x plus 3. So the factor of this 2, we have x plus 3 halves. So we have negative 3 halves. We have, okay, the first term is 2, then 5, 3, 8, and 12. Okay, bring down, multiply, so that is negative 3. So that is positive 2, multiply, and that is negative 3. Add 0, then multiply 0, then add, that is 8. Multiply, so that is negative 12, then add, that is 0. We have 2x cubed plus 2x squared, then 0, so no need to write that. Proceed to the constant 8, then divided by this 1, 2. So therefore the final answer is x cubed, this one, x squared plus 4, and the remainder is 0. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder, 0.